Hi everyone, how are you? Today I wanna show you how to find your YouTube channel ID. So let's start. Okay guys, if you want to find your YouTube channel ID, simply follow my steps. Okay, first one, go to your YouTube channel as you can see here. In the top right corner, as you can see, click in your account, then select your channel. Okay guys, after that, also in the top right corner, click in your icon and select settings. Okay, here guys, in the left pane, go down and select advanced settings. Okay guys, that's it, the channel ID. Okay, just copy your channel ID and you can paste any where you want. That's it guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.